Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best acoustic guitar in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for an acoustic guitar that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these acoustic guitars, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Hi, this is a new Alvarez featurette. I'm Gregory Johnson, and today I'm showcasing the award-winning Artist Series. There's a reason why the Artist Series guitars have won multiple awards in the US and around the world and have been getting really excellent reviews from players and trades. And it's because every Artist Series guitar is a truly designed instrument. Their quality is very deliberate. In fact, the goal of the design team was to create a line of solid top guitars that a professional musician would find worthy of touring and recording with, but also deliver them at an accessible price point for the everyday, casual player. It's quality that surprises a lot of people picking one up for the first time. They look at the price tag and aren't expecting a guitar that feels so solid or has such balanced tone and projection. All of that comes from the remarkable amount of effort that goes into the making of every Artist Series guitar. Every model in the series is made using an A-grade Sitka spruce or Western red cedar top. The woods go through the correct aging and preparation, and then there's a meticulous construction process using great components: real bone nuts and saddles, solid mahogany neck blocks, and solid maple bridge plates. A lot goes into the detailing with abalone and mother-of-pearl inlays. The FS2 forward-shifted bracing system is completed by hand, and the finish on an Artist Series is a 9-coat process. It takes 20 days to complete. It gives the guitar a deep and lasting shine, but the finish is also very thin, allowing the guitar to move. All of those attributes come together quite beautifully to create the Artist Series experience. It's a balanced and warm-sounding guitar that just feels great and will last decades and decades, if not a lifetime. It's also one of the most comprehensive lines in the market, with multiple options from dreadnoughts and parlors to basses, jumbos, and a lot more. Some models you should definitely look at are the ABT60 Baritone, the AD60 CE Acoustic Electric, the AG75 CE Grand Auditorium, the AP66 SB Parlor Guitar, and the AC70 Classical. Okay, there's tons more at our website, alvarezguitars.com, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks.
is our Gypsy Henna. The Gypsy series acoustics from Luna are acoustic-only guitars. We have several different profiles, and these guitars are aimed at affordability and great sound for the price. Luna was very well known for its henna laser etching on its full-size acoustics. We've incorporated that on this model. This particular model is a dreadnought, so if you're upgrading from a 3/4 or smaller guitar, or you're an adult or a late teen looking for your first acoustic, this is the one to have. It has a Luna neck profile, so it is easy to learn, easy to play chords. You can go to lunaguitars.com and check out the actual specifications of this guitar, but now let's take a listen.